Now it's time to attach the header part B and the footer part C to your bed frame. Grab the header part B and place it at one end of the bed frame. Using a clamp, clamp the header to the bed frame, making sure the header is flush with the bed frame underneath and on the sides. You may use wood glue between the header and the bed frame, but it is not a must. Measure and mark 5 to 6 equally spaced pencil marks on the frame strut. It is a good idea to place a pencil mark at each end of the bed frame. Use 1 1/4 inch wood screws and drive one screw into the frame strut where you place the pencil marks. Remove the wood clamps. You are now ready to install the footer, part C, using the same steps. The bed frame is now ready to install the two side rails, parts B. Why not download your free copy of our step-by-step Murphy bed construction guide by clicking on the link below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like these.